Welcome. In this short tutorial, I'll be showing you how to delete a text box in Constant Contact, or basically deleting a block. All right. So first up, go ahead and open up your email under marketing channels, or it could be a newsletter if you want to. Okay. Emails, wait for it to load. And once it loads, go ahead and select the email. For example, this one. I'm going to click on edit, wait for it to load. And once it loads, just go ahead and select the block that you wanted to delete. All right. As the title suggests, we wanted to delete a text block or text box. Right here, as you can see, this is a text box. And also below it is a blank text box. And as you can see here, we do have this delete button. You can just go ahead and easily click on it, and it's been removed. It's going to be deleted. All right. This one as well. You can go ahead and use this delete this layout option if you want to. Delete, and it's gone. That's basically how you do it. All right. I'm going to add in one more, maybe at this section. Click on it, hit on delete, and this one will be left. You're going to want to click on it once more, and at the top, we have the delete this section option. Just click on it, and once done, you're good to go. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.